Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm your host. My name is Gary. This podcast is for anyone who wants to inquire about the vegan lifestyle.
Episode 38 Meal Planning. What is some vegan meal planning tips for beginners? Check out these useful tips for beginners starting out with vegan meal planning.
1. Do your research first. Learn about vegan nutrition basics, such as getting enough protein, calcium, iron, vitamins B12 and D, etc. Understanding what nutrients to focus on will help you plan balanced meals. 2. Start slow. Instead of going fully vegan right away, try a plant-based diet first by gradually incorporating more meatless meals. This can make the transition easier. 3. Keep a food diary. Track what you eat for a few days to identify areas for improvement and use that as a starting point for vegan meal planning. 4. Make a weekly plan. Sit down once a week and plan out meals and snacks for the upcoming days. This reduces decision fatigue and ensures you have ingredients on hand. 5. Batch cook staples. Prepare things like grains, beans, and sauces in bulk to use throughout the week in different meals. 6. Stock up on convenient foods.
Here are some key points about vegan meal planning. Vegan meal planning involves creating meals and snacks that focus on plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds.
The EatingWell article provides a beginner's vegan meal plan for a full week, including recipes for vegan superfood grain bowls, lemon garlic vinaigrette, and overnight oats. It suggests incorporating beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts/seeds, and whole grains into meals to ensure adequate protein and satisfaction. Several meal delivery services like Raise the Bar Clean Eats, Chef Nourish, Gourmet Gains, and Zone Healthy offer vegan meal plans and prepared vegan meals delivered fresh. They cater to various dietary needs like gluten-free, low-carb, and allergen-friendly options. Restaurants like Berry Brand and Belief Cafe specialize in vegan acai bowls, burgers, and other plant-based fare, providing convenient vegan dining options. When transitioning to a vegan diet, it's recommended to focus on nutrient-dense whole foods, meal prep for convenience, and consider a flexitarian approach by incorporating meatless days gradually. Overall, the results highlight the growing availability of vegan meal planning resources, delivery services, and dining options to support a plant-based lifestyle.
Some vegan meal planning apps or websites include
1. Plate Joy, a meal planning app that customizes plans to your lifestyle and preferences, with a smart grocery list that remembers what's in your pantry. 2. Forks Meal Planner offers whole food, plant-based, and vegan-friendly recipes that can be cooked in 35 minutes or less with auto-generated grocery shopping lists. 3. Rainbow Plant Life provides a meal plan service that includes a shopping list, meal prepping suggestions, and recipes along with helpful tips. 4. The Easy Vegan Meal Plan, a weekly customizable online meal planner with family-approved recipes, shopping lists, and a private Facebook group for support. 5. Vegan Meal Plan app offers custom plant-based diet plans with millions of recipes and the ability to customize your meal plan according to specific needs. 6. Plantry features over 1,000 tasty recipes, a shopping list for all the grocery items needed, and a built-in timer for cooking. 7. Plant-based on a budget provides free vegan meal plans designed to be budget-friendly, with the option to spend around $25 per person per week. 8. E-Meals offers a variety of vegetarian and vegan meals focused on whole grains, vegetables, nuts, beans, and fruits, with integrated grocery pickup and delivery options. 9. EatingWell provides vegan meal plans designed by registered dietitians to help follow a healthy vegan diet.
These resources offer a range of tools for meal planning, including customizable meal plans, shopping lists, recipes, and additional support for those following a vegan diet. The features of the vegan meal planning apps listed in the search results include
1. Plate Joy. Customized meal plans based on 50 data points tailored to tastes, dietary preferences, and health goals. Smart grocery list that remembers pantry items to minimize waste. Accessible from iOS and Android devices. Video tutorials for easy app familiarization. Free 10-day trial, followed by a subscription plan. 2. Vegan recipes and meal plans, Apple App Store. Easy-to-use interface with nutritionally balanced meal plans. Over 150 plus healthy, plant-based recipes. Step-by-step recipe instructions with detailed nutritional information. Customizable ingredient measurements based on serving size. New content, including recipes and videos added weekly. Recipe search and filter options for dietary preferences. Automatically generated grocery shopping list. Personal profile and cookbook to save favorite recipes. Free to download with optional in-app purchases. 3. Forks over knives. Collection of healthy, low-fat, and flavorful vegan recipes. Seasonal menus and grocery lists. Free Forks Meal Planner for easy meal planning. Recipes for quick meals that can be made in 20 minutes or less. A large database of plant-based recipes with a built-in shopping list feature. 4. PETA. Simple, easy vegan recipes that require no cookbooks or creativity. Sample 2-week vegan meal plan available for free. 5. Plant You. Vegan Meal Planner. Hundreds of healthy vegan recipes and meal plans. Customizable meal plans and recipes. Nutritional information for each recipe. Grocery shopping list with whole unprocessed foods. Exclusive Facebook support community. Free to download with limited content and premium subscription options. 6. 21-day vegan kickstart. 3 weeks of recipes with an in-app grocery list. Daily meal plans with nutrition info and reminders. Free to use and designed to make the vegan transition easy. 7. Veggie alternatives. Provides vegan alternatives to a variety of products. Easy to use and basic, suitable for those new to vegan diets. 8. Easy Vegan Meal Plan. Desktop, tablet, and mobile-friendly platform. Free 7-day trial with no commitment. Recipes designed to be easy and quick to prepare. Unique recipes not found elsewhere, with new ones added weekly. Option to save money by reducing dining out and purchasing meat and cheese.
These apps offer a range of features from personalized meal planning and smart grocery lists to a vast library of recipes and nutritional information, catering to various needs and preferences within the vegan community. Are there any free vegan meal planning apps or websites? Yes, there are. See the following.
1. Plant-based on a budget offers free meal plans with printable PDFs that include weekly grocery lists, menus, and recipes. The meal plans are designed to be budget-friendly, costing around $25 per person per week. 2. It Doesn't Taste Like Chicken provides a free 7-day easy vegan meal plan, including recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and dessert. The meal plan is customizable and comes with a printable and editable grocery list. 3. PETA features a sample 2-week vegan meal plan with simple, easy recipes that anyone can follow without the need for cookbooks or creativity. 4. Forks Over Knives offers a free 1-week vegan meal plan that shows how to eat plant-based on a budget, with meals averaging around $3 each. 5. Vegan Meal Plan app. While the app contains ads and offers in-app purchases, it provides access to millions of recipes and includes a meal planner that can be customized according to specific needs. 6. Plantry. This app offers more than 1,000 tasty recipes and makes the grocery shopping list for you. It also includes a built-in timer and the ability to keep planned meals on your lock screen or home screen. 7. Reddit communities. Various Reddit threads and communities share free weekly vegan meal plans and resources for vegan meal planning.
These resources provide a variety of options for those looking to plan vegan meals without a subscription or payment.
Tune in for episode 39, Inspirational Vegan Athletes. Happy planning!
If you like this podcast, why not buy me a cup of coffee? The address will be in the show notes. I've established a temporary blog site where you can access all the show notes, internet research links, episode links, and SpeakPipe for leaving messages or reviewing my episodes. Feel free to visit it at healthyveganlivingpodcast.blogspot.com. Soon, I will have my own website. But for now, come and visit me.
The music featured at the beginning and end of this podcast is courtesy of Danmark Music Group. The opening and closing tracks are from the instrumental album Beautiful Days by Darren Birch, released under the title Mononymous, the best of Darren Birch, instrumental songs in 2019 via Darren Birch Music. The composer is Darren Birch. I aim for accuracy, but medicine evolves and approaches may differ. My views are evidence-based yet open to feedback and new insights. No pharmaceutical or medical company funding ensures an unbiased perspective. However, this content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician for personalized guidance on health concerns.